way that reads out, guys, is obviously 5.69 seconds, 0 to 60. It accomplished the 0 to 60 in 293 feet. And then it also gives you the 0 to 20 and the 0 to 40 times there, as well as how many feet it took to get to that speed. I can hit the memory button here, get us back. This was done in four-wheel drive, in sport mode, with advanced track off, and as you can hear, I did just a little bit of a brake torque to build up some boost. But obviously, this is faster than what I got out of the new Silverado 2019 with a 6.2 and a 10-speed. And I had a feeling these were faster just from seat of the pants and what I've seen online. Heck of a snappy truck. So let's do a 5-liter next. We're going to grab that truck and see what we can do. All right, so that's pretty close to the 3.5 Ecoboost. I mean, really close. 5.72 seconds, did it in 281 feet. And again, that was this is a 5-liter 2018 F-150 crew cab, 10-speed automatic, advanced track off, as well as sport mode, as you can see on the speedometer. But I'm gonna try it one more time to see if I can maybe get it under 5.7 to basically match the Ecoboost. This thing sure is snappy. All right, second attempt. All right, guys, so a little bit slower that time. And it's all in the launch. There's a lot of variables that come into play. So obviously the first run went a little bit better. And that right there is more in line with like the 6.2. The 6.2 did 5.86. So I guess it's safe to say that the 3.5 Ecoboost 2018 with a 10-speed, faster than a 6.2 Chevy, and then the 5-liter Coyote will hang right with a 6.2. And again, this run was four-wheel drive, advanced track off, sport mode on, 2018 F-150 5-liter with a 10-speed. Well, guys, I appreciate you watching. Leave any comments if you like. Hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe for more content. And we'll see you on the next video. Take care.